In this video, we will discuss an overview of profiles. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0801 profileoverview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil3d provides similar creation tools to creating profiles as you have for alignments. The creation tools for profiles are located in the Create Design panel, Profile, and then Create Surface Profile, as well as Profile Creation Tools. Profiles are stored in the Prospector tab and are children of your horizontal alignment. So if we navigate to the Alignments category, I've got Bypass 1 and US 100 existing, and as you see here, I have a profile in this one, and in Bypass 1, I happen to have 3 profiles. So we have to delineate between profiles and something called a profile view. So the profile is the actual grade line of a surface or a proposed vertical alignment. The profile view is simply the grid and the profiles display in the profile view. So Civil3d, as with everything, has styles and settings that you need to be aware of for profile views as well as profiles. If we go to the Settings tab, Profile category, these are the profile styles available. So these are the styles that will pertain to the actual profile grade line. Whether it's this proposed profile or this surface profile, these are the styles that would control how these get displayed. The Profile View category contains profile view styles and all the label styles and band styles that you apply to there as well. So as you can see here, all the grid graphics, such as the text, the ticks, as well as the elevation text and ticks, are controlled by the Profile View style. If we look at this one here, this one is just showing an existing profile, but the Profile View style shows a full grid system. So that's the difference between a profile and a profile view. Two different object types in Civil3d. Again, they are children of the horizontal alignment, and you can see them or view them within the Prospector tab. This concludes this video discussing an overview of profiles.